is taking the lead. C. Pause. That is what I was referring to. Of 4 male officers who are seen carrying what appears to be lifeless body. That is a 0 as from 0-20 hours. 121 hours.
Yes,
these are events.
4 officers. As long as I've captured 120, the rest I'll be able to build. Yeah, the narration. So there are 4 officers who are seen carrying what appears to be the lifeless body of AO.
Yes.
Okay.
Now they are wearing blue gloves now. They stopped at the prisoners processing area for a while.
Is they that stop?
The ones who are carrying that body.
Okay.
They stop at the prisoner processing area for a while. Pause.
Yes.
Then C walks to the front office area.
Yes.
Then returns to the holding bay.
Yes.
And give out more gloves.
Okay.
The 4 officers are then captured carrying AO out of the station and into the police vehicle.
Yes.
AO is placed at the back of the vehicle. As the police vehicle leaves the station, B and another officer and a driver at the front are captured at the front cabin of the vehicle. There's a point I would like to make stand out here. No officer is captured seated at the rear cabin of the vehicle where AO was placed. Sees the additional.
Do not pause, play. Do not pause, play. Yes. I've already recorded, so now I want to observe. You just stop, but he continues playing.
Yes. That is our C giving out the blue gloves to officers.
I want to see the manner in which continue playing, play, don't stop.
You can see now our C is now within the report office. The officers are strangling. They are going to leave the now. You are going to see now the vehicle. as now our C has also left the police. Now that is the police vehicle, you can see. That's the police vehicle accompanied. The body has been placed at the back side of the police vehicle.
Yes. Sorry, please stand for us, Bandus.
The door has been closed, and the officers will now move to the. There's a camera which will be showing them going to the driver's seat. And nobody is at the back of the same.